Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. MC Street Glide is all finished. He did the entire install himself. All we did for him was cut the bags and provide a tune. He did the entire install with a little tech support from us, and it's solid. Nice beefy power cable, supplying power to the 3000.1 in the door pack. We got a 404 and an 804 inside the nose. DS18 horn tweeters. GTS radio flashed, CarPlay and Android Auto. Ground zero. Red baskets in the lid. And some badass 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the bags.